Prasanbay, no? If especially those who pretend only that they are the guide, but they are not professional at all. So guys, so ito na finally, and alam nyo ba, may bisita kami ngayon. Dito siya natulog, si Prasanbay. So gusto nilang matikman ito and si Johan kagabi pa, pero sabi hindi mo pa pwedeng kainin, anak, baka magkatulad sa leche flan natin. So sabi niya, sige mama, I will wait. So ngayon tingnan natin guys, ayan, 24 hours ito, hindi nyo nakita. So, hiwain natin dahil magdi-dessert si Johan. Ayan, matigas siya, guys. Ano, aalis na sila? Kasi aalis sila eh. Guys, oh, yay! Hindi siya nabasag. Oh, yay! Oh my God! Yeah, okay. Magbe-birding daw sila, babalik na lang daw sila. So, ayan guys, yung ating mango float. Tikman natin. Maganda talaga, no? Pag nag-fluffy yung ating cream natin. Tapos yung condensed milk. So, diba? So, kakain kami ni Johan. At magdi-dessert siya. Babalik lang daw sila ni Deepak. Dahil yung isa nilang kaibigan nag-aantay. Mabilis lang daw sila.
Good morning po.
Excited kasi siyang tikman. Kumain na yan ng rice. Wow! You like, anak? The water there. Buti na i-prepare ko na yung uniform niya. So, of course, titikman natin yung aking mango float. Oh, ayan. Sarap na sarap si Juan. Sarap nga, guys. Wow. One more? Ahoy! May ito pa to. Bigyan na. Kuha agad tayo. Wow! Guys, ang sarap ng yung cream. Yung cream, tsaka yung condensed kasi fluffy siya, di ba? Sarap. Dali, si Yuan nag-request na 2 daw. Tigdagan natin ulit, guys.
Still time there is.
Yeah. Tawa ko kay Johan, guys, eh. Sabi niya, still time there. So, it means, kakain ka pa ng kakain. Sabi niya, mama, please, sabi niya. Diba? Sabi niya, 2 pa daw. Tawa ko kay Juan talaga, ino. Alam niyo si Deepak, kakain ng siya nito, tikim lang. Pero hindi siya pala kain ng mga ganito, guys. Mga matatamis. Gasan ko lang to guys, yung mga ginamit namin kanina. Sarapan talaga yung bata. Bata yun, no? Ay, si Johan talaga pag Filipino po. Si Prasan at saka si Deepak, hindi pa nakabalik. And for sure, galit na yun si Prasan. Kasi, lagi sabihin sa akin na Timila, may oras lang talaga ako mag-birding, hindi ako kagaya ni Deepak. Hindi naman kasi mga iba yan sa amin, guys, no? Kaya pag nagagalit yan kay Deepak, parang mga bata ba? Alam niyo naman si Prasan, masyadong si Prasan. Yung may disiplina talaga siya, hindi siya matigas ang ulo. Kahit yung nanay niya, pag dito siya matutulog, tatawagan niya, nagulat nga ako eh. Sabi niya, mami, sabi niya, dito ako matutulog sa kanila ni Deepak ha. Ang mami niya, walang against agad yun. Okay anak, daw agad kayo, nagulat nga ako. Pasensya na kayo kasi may times na against the light tayo. Sabi ko, Prasan, yung mami, wala naman pala siyang problema. Kala ko stricto. So, nung pagpapaalam niya, okay agad si auntie. Kasi alam niya dito si Prasan eh. Okay agad. La. Ganun agad. Parang okay. Sabi niya, wala namang problema kay mami ko. Sabi niya, ako lang naman yung may problema. Sabi niya ganun. May kasi si Prasan, anxiety ba? Disorder. So, may times na hindi talaga siya makakatulog. And lalong-lalo pag hindi siya comfortable, hindi talaga siya natutulog. So, amin, medyo comfortable siya. And hindi naman yan sila iba sa amin, guys. Natutuwa nga ako dahil comfortable sila dito sa bahay. And parang feel at home talaga sila. Kaya, ayun. Si Prasanbay, mabait din. Si Yuwinbay, natutulugan sila dito. Ito guys ha, marespeto. Yan sila. Hindi yan sila guys yung magkaroon ka ng uy, kaibigan, hindi pa baka mamaya natutulog kayo. Ganito. Wala yan ang mga Nepalese guys. Sa ugali nila na nagustuhan ko rin guys, marespeto sila, medyo konserbatibo din sila. Talagang nandun yun guys, yung hiya nila, yung basta ganun sila guys, kahit ganyan lang sila guys na sabihin mo ng ibang tao na mga Nepalese, mangmang, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Meron nga before, share ko lang sa inyo sa akin na yung asawa ko daw, baka nagtikim-tikim na daw ng kalahi niya. At parang hindi maganda pakinggan kasi ako, asawa ko, alam ko asawa ko eh. Yung ganun ba? Pinoy instinct, alam nyo yun minsan. Kasi Pilipino yung nagsabi sa akin. So parang doon ako na bakit ganun yung pagsasabi, yung sinasabi na si Deepak daw. Which is, alam ko naman at sino ang mga kasama at alam ko naman yung mga ugali ng Nepalese. Hindi sila ganun guys. Hindi sila ganun yung kagaya sa mga inisip nating mga Pilipino. Malayo sila guys sa atin. Totoo lang. Kahit yung iba sasabihin nila, ay mga Nepalese, mga mangmang yan. Sa totoo lang kasi may mga kakilala ako nag-iisip sila na ganun ang mga Nepalese, mga mangmang, ganyan-ganyan. So, wala tayong magagawa eh. Ganun yung kanilang pag-iisip eh. Pero sa totoo lang guys, yung mga kaibigan ni Deepak, may mga pera yan. Very simple lang yan sila. Kaya, minsan kasi mahirap din nung pakasabihan ka na mayabang. So, kaya, huwag na lang magsalita. Pero yung pag-isipan sila na, ay, baka ganito yung asawa mo, ganyan. Malayo guys, sa totoo lang. Hindi sa asawa ko. I-share ko lang sa inyo dahil nakikilala akong sasabihan nila ako na asawa ko daw, baka nagtikim na yung kalahi niya, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Which is hindi maganda or hindi siya, hindi siya maganda sa pakinggan, yung ganun salita kasi. Which is alam mo yung asawa mo na hindi siya ganun. Ganun sulat. Ang katapon tayo, naririnig ko. Kasi ako na comfortable sila dito sa bahay. And kahit istrikta ako, hindi naman na-istrikta, pero alam nila yun na hindi ako strikta kay Deepak, pero what I meant to say is, sandali mo na guys, nandyan mo na, sura magtapon mo na tayo, ha? Guys, nabisi ako dito, kasi kakain na kami. Sabi kasi nila, hindi daw sila uuwi. Ngayon, tumawag si Deepak ulit. Ay, sabi niya, kakain pala kami dyan. So, kaya yun. Hindi, wow. Luto ako, same. Chicken curry. Tapos, nag-achar ako. As usual, yung mga niluluto natin lagi. Pero hindi pa nila natikman yung mango float ko. Mag-prepare lang ako ng rice.
Kaon tayo!
Bigaon ko. Magsibot naman ko kasi pa. Where's Prasanbay? Bigyan ko naman sila ng extra rice sa kanilang lamesa. Ayan. Bata ko. Prasanbay kami.
No, what do you have in outside?
I will eat also. You eat now.
কি হলো সরি আপেল সাইডার ভিনেগার কি নবে নুন আনলে কি
त्यो भेजिटेबल उनीहरू पाउँछ
বেসর কি মশলা
Kain tayo guys. Sabay.
সব
So, ayan guys. Patry natin kay Prasanbay. Yan, nilagyan ko na sila. Kakain din ako. Ang dami ko nang nakain guys. At saka, ginawan ko na sila ng Japanese tea. Kasi ako nakainom na ako, so sila naman. Ginising ko na kasi nagpapahinga sila, no? Aalis sila. Ayan guys, patry natin sa kanila. Si Deepak na sa banyo pa. Ginising ko si Prasanbay. Kasi naka-idlip na yan sila. Come! Come! He's in the toilet. You try now. Ayos Prasanbay, kakagising lang. Prasanbay, you invite him here. And that Japanese tea.
Japanese tea.
Kagising na Prasanbay.
Good morning.
Now try this. Mango float. Try na Prasanbay. Honest reaction, honest opinion.
Is prank?
No.
No prank. Okay. No wasabi sauce.
Prank daw. Wala. No. Mango
Nice.
float.
Very tasty.
I keep in the chiller. You like it? Gusto niya Prasanbay. Spaghetti the favorite and then
Yeah, just woke up.
you sleep ha?
Yeah.
I heard you snoring again.
Again?
Yeah.
Like leopard.
Like leopard. May sinabi si Prasan Bay, guys, patungkol sa leopard. But now, no more leopard, ah?
Now, only in the night.
Until now, there is?
Of course, in the city everywhere.
Really?
Yeah.
Because he is like local. He is local, not like only. He grew up in the valley talaga. Local, no? Prasan Bay?
Local. Resident local.
Local yan siya.
What is this? Mic?
Ha?
Mic?
Yeah, Mike, that is Mike.
For audio?
Yeah. It's good that you like. There is Japanese tea, ha? Prasan Bay, balance. Me, I already drink.
It,
Now
it was
see,
raining?
it's become hot now.
It was raining before?
Little.
Ah. What's the time?
Now it's already 2. You been by came here?
Yeah, I heard.
Because he's studying, no? So,
He's doing his MPhil.
yeah. Means, Masteral?
After masters, yeah, MPhil. MPhil.
How do you find Prasan Bay?
It's very nice. Nice. Tasty also.
Too much sweet or not too much sweet?
It's normal for me.
Yeah, hindi kasi guys masyadong matamis, not too much sweet, yeah. That's what also I notice. Prasan Bay, take this. This is half.
You had tea or not?
Wala. Deepak is not the fan of sweets, so
You like this with beer?
beer for
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, last night one beer girl was,
Guys,
lost.
kagabi, tinago namin yun kasi may 4 sila ng puti, tinago namin yung isa.
That was my beer.
Kaya pala hinahanap din ni Prasan kasi sa kanya yun, beer niya yun, hindi yun beer ni Deepak. Sabi ko, why you don't tell us? Sabi niya, tahimik lang sa is quiet. That's why he is looking also because that is, one beer is belongs to
To
him.
me, yeah. I
We
had too
don't-
much, no, Deepak?
We don't know, no, me and Johan kasi they came from outside already. So yung mata, the eyes of Deepak last night, parang owl na yung mata niya.
Yes.
Oh my God. Nagulat nga ako na dito si Prasan bro. Now again, see, it's hot. Yeah?
Calendar is just from yesterday.
What
You
means?
know or not? Like a Nepalese calendar,
Oh,
like Baisak. You know Baisak. Baisak, Jet, Asar, you know or not?
No.
Nepalese date, you don't
I
know?
heard only.
The 12 months in Nepalese calendar. So it's Jet from yesterday. So it's one of the hottest month. May is the hottest month.
So this is the hottest month.
And August.
Means it's the hottest month.
Yeah, the
according
hottest
to your
month.
calendar.
In for Kathmandu and for entire
Tarai.
Nepal. Tarai, Nepal.
All over Nepal.
May and
August.
August.
According-
August, September.
According to your calendar.
Nepalese
ah?
calendar, yeah.
Nepalese
The hottest
calendar.
month here.
Nepalese calendar. Nepalese calendar, Prasan bro, how many months?
Same 12 months.
Same 12 months.
Only Nepalese name.
Camera na. Oh, you try na the ano.
It's a prank.
It's okay.
It's mango and how do you like it?
Too much biscuit.
This is basically also.
Hindi kasi siya fan ng mga sweets, guys. That is why he is not sweet. Buti pa si Prasan nakadalawang ano. That is why if he get married with the Filipina, he can live in Philippines. For sure this one. For sure, guys, because he likes Filipino food. Prasan
But
bro.
it's too hot over there.
Yeah. Our weather not like this. This is our weather more hot. Even you have 5 electric fan,
Not.
too much. Like when I was in the Philippines, me and Johan, we go vacation. Every 6 o'clock, Johan is shower there taking bath. But he never get cold. He never had a cough. Because water is very good.
It's tropical weather over there, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
Only,
when we go in Philippines.
only he's waiting the sound every time. If he heard the sound, he will tell, Tita, means auntie, ice cream, yung basura, the garbage truck.
So what is when is cold
that
in
one- that
Philippines?
one is ice
December, January is cold or not? No.
Na,
Bare maine same hoga.
Our country is not that cold. If it's raining,
Even in winter.
Which is your country? Our country. You don't have country, no? You have Nepal passport. Your Nepal country.
no, in Philippines, like December, little bit, but not too much cold. That's why we
So
feel.
it's 12 months almost same weather.
No, there is rainy season also. Like
But also it's hot is also in rainy season, isn't it?
little, not too much. But when it comes to like
But monsoon-
April, too much hot.
So what is the best time to visit Philippines for us? December, January?
Yeah, like that. May,
May will be too hot.
yeah. Flores de Mayo, we call this one.
For Nepal, May and August is very hot time to visit here.
Yeah.
So if
Which
people
month
like-
is the best to visit Nepal?
Depends upon what they want to come here and
But
see.
monsoon, no, they cannot go for a trek
No,
because it's close.
not close, but too many leeches.
Yeah.
You remember in Fulchoki?
Yeah. And slippery, no, landslide.
Slippery, landslide, leech.
Sangyang bro is too much
Mosquito.
busy.
Yeah, he is back yesterday
Oh, kasi you have clients.
from
eh.
Everest
Yeah,
after
from Everest.
like 19 days trek.
Good. Good for
Too
president.
much dollar he earned.
Yeah.
Dollar.
But he deserve it.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's very hard, not easy.
Elevation,
Yung trabaho ni
5,000.
Sangyambay.
5,500, 600 elevation.
And plus some good clients giving him gift also.
Gift tips after
Yeah.
the
After if the
they'll have once they come back here they'll have a like a dinner night, okay, before. So tomorrow if there is flight, so today the
it depends on the client or
no
should
the
be.
office will give the dinner, not the clients. The office will give dinner, and the last night the client will give tips according to the service. If he's happy, very bad service, he will
So
give.
Sangyam bro is working under the
He worked with few companies, so whoever give him work, like a trekking company, 1 or 2,
and plus is getting salary also.
on daily salary, but not too much that salary.
Yeah. But that
Some tips is more than salary.
but it is not easy,
It's not easy, no.
especially going for
Oh, that elevation, okay, you carry the bag,
Yeah.
maybe 5-10 kgs,
And,
15 kgs. and
altitude also,
altitude,
sickness.
sickness, less oxygen over there, very hard.
And and plus not only that, no, his responsibility also how
To take care
to
of the
guide,
guests.
how to
You
take
need
care
to know the road.
and how to manage them mentally also. Because-
Mentally also, yeah. Guide is like the
Too much responsibility.
very important in trekking.
Yeah.
Without guide, a lot of people, so many people die. You know,
Yeah.
People come from like abroad and they go trekking without guide.
If the
they
guide
get lost.
if the guide is not good, because the key is in the guide,
Some
yeah.
people go without guide, they get lost. In the
totoo yun,
forest,
guys.
in the mountain, they get lost and they die.
That is
Or
true,
they
no?
fall down
By,
also.
no? If especially those who pretend only that they are the guide, but they are not professional at all, so these things happen.
That's why you need to be registered. You need to be educated.
Yeah. Mostly guide, I notice here, they are
Yeah.
very good in English, no? Prasan,
You-
Prasan Bay, no? Guys, yung mga guide dito magagaling, they are very good in English.
Like Sangyam is
Sangyam,
Sangyam
magaling
is
siya, guys,
very
mag-English.
educated in
Yeah.
nature also. Nature guide as in
His father is very good in speaking in English.
really?
His father,
I've never talked to him in English.
He's very good.
Oh.
Guys, yung tatay ni Sangyam bro, you will think like he's doing farming only, but oh my God, because
No,
he
I've
was...
never heard him speak
I
English
heard him when we went there. And he's a
how
one...
he learn? With
He's a tour guide also.
Before?
He's a nature guide also. So he's the one who taught Sangyam.
Okay.
Siya din guys yung parang teacher ni Sangyam bro. Kaya that is why Sangyam bro, he speaks very fluent in English.
Finish
So
your
yun
turn.
guys, yung mga tour guide
I'm going
dito,
home now.
halos magagaling mag-English guys. Totoo yun.
I'm going home. Going home tomorrow.
Oh, who is that calling?
Finally,
Nobody.
Is it toilet and the...
Prasan ba
Look at him.
nobody is calling me. If
enough, eh?
Deepak have call, then that's the time I have call also. Nobody's calling me.
How much birthday is enough? Why even morning is we went 7:30, yeah? 9:30 enough. 2 hours more than enough.
Give up na sa best friend niya, but
We went
parang
7:30.
nanay, ito ni Deepak eh.
9:30, 2 hours enough. We stay till 11:30. So already 2 hours more.
Pero sasama pa.
Now again we come back and he's look open, wake up, eat this cake, let's go. Look at this guy.
Digest the calories. This is too much calories no yung kinain
Now
namin.
we walk. Ko
Who is that?
Sudip Tai.
You will come.
बुढा
Si Colonel
के
sasama
भनेर
sa
फोन गरेँ?
kanila.
मलाई त फोन गरेँ नि त बुढाले
तिमीलाई गरे उठाएन भन्नु
ए त्यहाँ चार्जिङमा हाल्यो होला
Maybe leopard is there. You are going there. Oh my God.
leopard never in the daytime,
Guys, may sinabi sa tell me something. I will tell you
only in
later.
the night.
May leopard na pala daw dito
It's
sa
cat,
aming
no?
lugar.
So cat are always active in the night.
Oh my God. So much of
के हुआ
At least the weather is fine, Prasan, bro.
weather fine but maybe any time is raining,
No, at least, no? Than too much hot.
at least not
Yeah.
it's so hot.
Kasi ang dami ko nang nakain. Sabi nga ni ate, basta wag lang araw-arawin kasi magkaka-diabetes tayo. Kasi yung calories nito, si Deepak guys, hindi talaga siya fan ng mga sweet. That is why he is not sweet. Hindi, pero hindi talaga siya guys palakain guys, si Deepak. Ng mga matatamis, ayaw niya. Kita niyo, alam ko yan. Pero kami ni Johan, pero si Johan, syempre, hindi ko yan inaano. Nililimit ko lang. Enjoy ni enjoy siya. Ayaw ko naman guys pigilin. Kaya nga ako gumawa para mag-enjoy yung bata. Pero ayun, nai-stress ako pag marami. Talaga siyang kinakain. Nagpapahinga-hinga pa sila tapos mag-birding sila. Guys, may kumakatok. Yeah! Si Kanchi, si Mandira. Guys. Just now, electricity came. Where did you go? Where have you been?
Service.
What you call this one? Just now, Deepak they go. They cannot
Hello
see you.
everyone.
Nagpa-service daw siya ng kanyang motorbike.
Yeah.
So I told her
First time.
I will let her eat the mango float because she will like it. She likes sweet. She like cakes.
Yeah.
So this one I make like ice cream cake.
Okay.
What time you go for service, Kanchi?
10 o'clock. Mobile set.
Every after 3 months. So, alam ko magustuhan to ni Mandira and Indira. They will like it. Na-slice ko na ito. Before, I think you already...
This one?
Yeah.
No, I didn't eat this one.
Before I make this one, I don't know if you try.
You didn't give us.
No, long time I did not make because this time only mango season. So, show it to them your reaction.
Yeah, tasty this one.
This is like cake, ice cream cake.
Yeah.
Mango, and then I make like
Yeah,
butter.
tasty this one.
I eat too much. I cannot control.
one
You
is
want
not
tea?
tasty.
You want tea?
No,
What did you eat then?
nothing. I just eat rice there.
You eat rice. In the home you drink. You don't want to drink black tea? Don't want. Water only.
Yeah.
Water in the plant. Wait, I give you water, Kanchi. Don't want tea, Kanchi? Black tea? Sure.
Yeah, but this one is.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
Sometimes, guys,
Last night I cooked this one, but
What?
today I cooked chicken.
chicken. Today we cook chicken also. And I'm planning not to cook because we have still. But maybe tomorrow. So guys, since 10 o'clock na sa labas daw siya, then you go home, then again you go back.
Yeah, I feel like headache now because too much time I'm outside.
Outside.
I know it takes time, but I eat rice.
You eat rice before you go.
Yeah,
Before she goes.
within the 9 o'clock.
She late. She's
Yeah.
late. You drop her.
No.
Just only she go down. Yan, aalis na siya guys. Pinadalhan ko rin si Indira ng mango float, that one. We called Kanchi. Every 3 months pala yun, no? Yung pa-service niya. Ayan. Uwi na siya agad. Kuha lang siya ng tubig. I will lock the door. Lagi nila ako sabihan, ilock mo Ate Mila. Kaya nilalak ko yan. Take care, ha? Bye-bye. Bye, Kanchi.